Hello guys, I'm Despert and today we are going to create our first HTML file in Visual Studio Code and give it a proper title. To create a new file in Visual Studio Code, press Ctrl Alt Windows N or click the File drop-down menu at the top and then New File button. The first file we want to create is an HTML file. This forms the basis of websites. It is basically a plain descriptive text without any style descriptions or special operations. Currently our HTML file is empty. To fill it with the so-called basic template, enter HTML5. Voila! Don't try to understand everything you see on your screen at first. What is important to know is that the entire file is located within HTML text, and the two most important parts of this text are the head and the body. The head usually contains various information, and the body will contain the main part of the website that the website displays. What we are changing today is the content of the title text. Let's rewrite this as my first website. To see if our change was successful, open our website. To do this, I find the location where I saved the HTML file and click on it. As you can see, the website is still empty because there is nothing inside the body text. However, you can see the title of our website in the bar above. Nice work! If you get stuck with anything, I will place a GitHub link in the description from where you can download the code I created. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.